BSI is a manufacturer and a repair company making fluid film bearings, Babbitted bearings for all these different industries with high-speed rotating equipment. We serve the power generation industries, oil and gas, mining, marine, and aerospace.
Our reputation is really our number one backbone that we've got. You know, we don't have an outside sales force, so everything's driven by customer recommendations.
To be very good in this industry, you have to be precise. Your machining has to be spot on, high precision, high quality. Our customers know our quality is up to par because we do 100% inspections on every part that we manufacture. We're doing dimensional inspections. Every Babbitted part gets an ultrasonic inspection. Nothing leaves our building unless it's gone through all those checks, including our packaging. Our packaging is the best in the industry.
Customers are usually most surprised when they come out and they take a tour of our facility.
They're always surprised to find out how big of a shop we have, how clean of a shop we have, and how organized we are.
We've been audited and approved by the world's largest OEMs, and they've become some of our best customers.
And we're constantly auditing ourselves, making sure we're operating at the highest quality we possibly can. When we're auditing ourselves, we're saying that we're holding ourselves to a very high standard.
The greatest strength that we have as a company is our employees. Starting with our production guys, some of them have been with us for over 30 years, all the way through to our support staff in the office, our design engineers.
We started out as a family company. We still hold strong family values. We treat employees like family, and I think that's what makes us succeed.
I wouldn't want to work for anyone else. They have a dedication to the employees first, then to the company, and they're always looking to improve. That's a philosophy we have, is continuous improvement.
We're looking for ways to better our systems that we have in place so we can put out the best product with the best customer service with the best price for our customers.